Imagine that. My name is Katarina Rodriguez, and I am an in-camera VFX and motion capture systems engineer for actually both OptiTrack and Planar. So I am a support on the virtual production end for both companies. We had what I consider a very interesting and really awesome integration. I've been in motion capture for a while now, but this was the first instant that I've seen where a real-time engine at zero density is able to input the calibration file and our profile from Motiv, OptiTrack's Motiv, and have that direct connection from our server rack directly to the render engine, and just be able to have that direct connection to our OptiTrack system, being able to have access to tracking, utilizing our cameras, but with the Traxxas camera tracker. I found it really interesting because for us, it was the beginning of OptiTrack being able to research all the different capabilities and just all the different ways that we're able to plug into houses that already have an existing virtual production solution. So in this case, although we offer tons of different accessories, including a camera tracker, what's interesting about our integration is if there is an existing zero density house, for example, that already has all the tools that they, love by zero density, we're able to very easily plug into that existing pipeline seamlessly without feeling like they're building everything out from the ground up all over again. I think the best part is there isn't a huge learning curve involved. I even asked myself as a, like a 7-year mocap TD, being able to gravitate towards Traxxas Hub was it was just very easy. It was very natural, and I feel the same the other way around. I've seen some of the zero density TAMs come to our stage and be able to immediately gravitate towards Motiv and understand the operations and being able to quickly integrate it. So I think the team in either way of a zero density house or an OptiTrack house being able to gravitate towards that new addition. OptiTrack offers not just I know a lot of people, when they think of virtual production OptiTrack, they think, oh yeah, camera tracking. But I think a lot of people forget that we offer a whole line of different pieces of hardware and accessories, including our VR trackers, our VCam, and all of those different hardware pieces can be utilized in different stages of virtual production. So the Probe is just another example of how some of the OptiTrack accessories can be used, outside of just our motion capture cameras. Another great point is just the very simple connection from our server rack or our aggregation switch directly into Zero Density's render engine or Traxxas Hub just makes for a very straightforward setup. There isn't a huge network topology reconfiguration that you have to go through. It's so easy to plug in. It's just one Ethernet connection coming from the aggregation switch directly into the Traxxas Hub, and you're automatically going to receive that tracking data from our camera. So it's just a very straightforward setup and something that's very easy to just bring newbies on board and kind of understand what that workflow looks like.